everyone, it's beautiful February winter day here in Canada. It's about -10 Celsius, so about 14, 15 Fahrenheit. We're here with Inflatable Spa, and the biggest concern we have is, will it survive the winter? And let me show you if it did. But before we do that, the most important thing is the manufacturer recommendations is not to run the spa when it's below -10 Celsius or below 14 Fahrenheit. Well, I insulated this spa as well, so before we open up the spa, I want to tell you that the lid you see here helped tremendously. First, to keep up some heat. Second, the most important, to keep out all the water and to help with the snow, so it was very easy to remove the snow from this lid. Now, let's open it up and see. And as you can see, the spa is running. It's 104 Fahrenheit, and the heating is not on, so the water is hot and it's not heating it. Yes, it switches on from time to time, but it's not constantly heating the spa, so it can hold the hot water during the cold weather. And yeah, the Wi-Fi switched off for whatever reason. I need to reconfigure that, and this is just the pump working. And I'm just going to remove this winter cover and the main cover, and I'll show you what's inside. And as you can see, the spa is hot. I need to add chemicals. I haven't been adding them for a while, so I need to add chemicals here. But yeah, it's pretty hot, and let me show you. So let's put some bubbles. As you can see, the spa can absolutely survive during winter, even during the harsh cold. And the only things needed is maintenance, and I need to add some chemicals. So as you can see, the water needs a little bit of cleaning, so I'm gonna do this next. But in short, we can enjoy the spa during the evenings or during the weekends. And the only thing I noticed is when it gets colder, the spa deflates a little bit. That's normal, that's like the tires of the cars. But when you cover it and when it keeps the heat, it gets a little bit tougher. So it's only when it's open it gets a little bit softer. Again, it's totally expected. Alright, thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers!